Myntri Rangbah Barim kejala oba donwa datwalsan Lapang. Uloong ba uladon khandai phawai Snem menta bat ukwa ban aiman siem yaki samla kum udukot jang ke NPP. Uba Lapang uba phet na ka Kongres hadin phau Snem sya ke NPP. Uloong menta ka khatlai tarik nai lur arhaja ar phaulai. Bakum ubriu ubara yaw karta kwa syu ubane khun ke election watla ukloi ban aiman siem yaki samla. Uloong bahadin balayat lenti bun Snem menta ularai ban syang thaj na ka politik ban penlut por bat kaying kasem. Habayade ba gajinglong ukon rat ke sangma kum Myntri Rangbah uba Lapang ulayaro ya u ba ude ubriu ubadan gajinglong ban long unong yalam. Ula benrap ba gajingmi jong u nakalong yeng hakaba ukpa jong u ude unong yalam bat gajing yo alat jong u ban late school syabari kaladei ki benta ki ba penlong ya u ban yo shibun gajing tep bat gajing syampang.
Well, I cannot say that I'm responsible for making it bad or to making it good. If there's a man of us, what I have done when the situation go that way, I decided that way. And now when I'm here with the NPC, I want to be with the NPC and work with the NPC. It's not time I have crossed 91 years now. But it's time for me to see that I have to settle things and also work and to give all my inspiration, my experience to share with the generation and all. So now the young people and what they say that I try to do that. But after all, after completing this many years of journey, I would like to have rest also, to have a little bit of rest and to have relax with the family affairs, with the problems of at home and anywhere.
Have you retired from electoral politics? You are saying?
Yes. Electoral politics. I'll be there. I'll play as old man. I may like to rest. Our Chief Minister Konrad Sangma has got the quality of leadership. He is well versed with the area because he comes from the family which is fully involved in the soil, the down trodden type of thing, and at the same time he also has climbed up the top of the tower in the nation, at the top of the Lok Sabha. Then they have learned that, and at the same time, they have learned education well outside the country and inside the country, so well versed with that thing. And though he didn't have a good experience to be in politics, practically, but he has got the quality of leadership and all. And he will be doing well and all this thing and all. And to be a leader means you have to learn involving yourself with each and everyone and everybody should feel at home. And Konrad is trying to be close to everybody, and he will improve in that line. And I hope there's nothing wrong that he will continue to be a leader and carry all along others along with him.